they ask us why we do it.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा संध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूल कर्तव्यं दैवमान्तिकम्.
Why must we leave the warm comforts of home to go on back-breaking motorcycle trips? Well, what is home? My name is Sharan Iyer, and as my last name suggests, I'm a Tambram from Palakkad in Kerala, or at least my parents are. Me, I grew up here in Mumbai and I've been to Kerala on occasion. A visit to grandma's place in Palakkad or tagged along by parents on pilgrimage, that's all that I've seen of Kerala or of the south. Having said that, even though we haven't spent much time together, I feel that somehow I'm still bound to the south. December 4th, 2017 was when we tied the knot. And exactly 1 year later, when we went on our late honeymoon, was when the travel bug bit us. We rented a motorcycle and rode all across Bhutan. The next anniversary was a ride from home to North India and back. After that, between the pandemic and our busy schedules, we barely got time to ride again. Finally, after many years of waiting, we've been able to plan and execute a trip. A ride that we have desperately been waiting for.
All set. Bike is all set. Fully loaded. Ready to go. Bye, Appa. See you next time.
Where is my helmet?
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
Ready? Not coming with us this time.
No.
Next time.
Purposeful.
Next.
Starting our 2-week-long road trip, we headed for the beautiful historic Pondicherry. It's a 2-day ride, so we decided to stay the night somewhere around Hubli.
Purely 10-minute break because we need only coffee, vada pav and water. Right side Shagun's clothes because Shagun is always right, and left side my clothes because after Shagun what's left is me. Good one, no? Namaskar, namaskar. चाह बोला क्या?
अभी तो एसिडिटी हो जाएगी. Then what's the point? But this is really nice. जामुन शॉट्स. हम लोग जो पहले नासिक जाते थे ना जब छोटे थे तब, तो पापा वो जामुन तोड़ के वो नीचे जो जमा होता है ना चद्दर में, वो हम लोग खाते थे. उसका मज़ा अलग होता है. We had mango, chiku and जामुन that way. पर्पल लिपस्टिक भी नहीं आया क्या?
The first day or two of riding are the most difficult. We aren't used to the motorcycle, we haven't found our rhythm, and some parts just haven't gotten sore and numb yet. So we take it easy, take many breaks, hydrate, and recuperate well. We're slow, but we'll make up for lost time later.
Hello, good evening.
We are at Hotel Greens Family Restaurant. थोड़ा गोरा लग रहा हूँ मैं? अब सॉलिड चूना लगा है मेरे को. मैकडोनल्ड्स नहीं रुके थे अपन, उधर वो बिस्लरी का वेदिका बॉटल लिया मैंने, आधा लीटर 50 रुपया.
तो मैकडॉनल्ड्स से कौन बोला था पानी लेने को?
साला आधा लीटर पेट्रोल आ जाता था उसमें. हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
I feel on top of the world.
टॉप टूटा है कि नहीं अभी तक?
नहीं अभी तक
वन पीस में है.
यस अभी तक वन पीस में है सब.
इडली सांभर, चाय, पनीर चिली, पानी. अच्छा था पनीर चिली. इडली was soft, no?
I'm so but the sambar I'm missing Appa so much.
What do you expect at Hotel Greens?
And paneer chili at Hotel Green.
Green apostrophe S. Arey, I wanted a snack, like not very heavy.
Having ridden for 12 straight hours, we'd covered barely 2/3 of the distance targeted for day 1. We were tired, sore, and sleepy. So, thought it was wise to look for accommodation and call it a night.
Good evening, auntie. This is Hotel Cult, the Lodge and the Bar. This is between Hubli and
Davangere.
between Hubli and Davangere. 600 kilometers in 12 and a half hours or something. अभी बेहोश हो रहे हैं.
Hog and sleep.
हाँ, थोड़ा खा के सीधा पड़ जाएंगे. Okay, bye. And good morning. Good morning from Hotel The Cult. आफ्टर हुबली. कल रात को दुनिया की सबसे खराब दाल खिचड़ी खा के हम लोग सो गए. मॉर्निंग में बहुत लेट उठे.
7 o'clock तो अभी हो गया है.
नहीं 7:45 7:30. लेट्स गो.
Almost halfway done, halfway to go. We knew the day was going to be long and hard, but the excitement of all the rewards awaiting us at our destination kept us going. That wasn't going to be enough. We needed breakfast.
मैं कब से ढूंढ रही थी कि यार यहीं पर आएगा, बट आई वाज नॉट श्योर कि बैंगलोर क्रॉस करने के बाद आता है वो.
दिस इज वेरी नाइस. मजेदार 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 बड़ा सांभर. मेरे को लगता है एक और प्लेट लगेगा. में नमक कम है, मेरे में पेशेंस भी बहुत कम है. अभी बोलने वाला नहीं हूँ उसको. इतना रिव्यू दीजिए मैडम.
इट्स ऑसम एक्चुअली. कामत इज लाइक दैट नो ब्रेनर. वो दिख गया तो फटाक से जाओ रुक जाओ. सिर्फ वो सांभर खा के मुझे अपा की बहुत याद आई है.
बट दिस सांभर इज गुड.
दिस इज गुड. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट ग्रीन्स वाला सांभर. अपा आई हैव मिस्ड यू सो मच यस्टरडे.
आई थिंक एट दिस स्पीड नो वील रीच बैंगलोर बाय लंच टाइम. ब्रेकफास्ट पे बैठ के अपन लंच की बात कर रहे हैं. 5 minute stretching break. Water and stretching break. Madam doing lunges in petrol pumps. हो गया? Ready petrol pump. Are you ready? No ready? Ready or not, here I come.
The heavy breakfast was enough to sustain us until lunchtime, but the sun was draining vital fluids from our bodies. We stopped again to top up.
Thank you. Buttermilk is nice and creamy and thick and fresh. पुदीना भी है उसमें. बट कर्नाटका में थोड़ा लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम है. हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ, किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, और वो लोग भी इंग्लिश में बात करने तैयार नहीं है. थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आता है कन्नड़ा, सो इशारों में हो जाता है, बट थोड़ा है इशू.
Before we knew it, we were passing through busy Bengaluru. We opted to bypass using the nice road where surprisingly even motorcycles must pay toll.
Somebody's really tired of sitting on the bike for so long. He just parked here near the toll booth and she went down and sat in the shade there. Poor thing. Shagun, I'm so sorry ये करने के लिए, but You look really cute sitting there all by yourself. Chalo, let's go now. Come. Are you coming or no? Of course you can't hear me. Nice road खत्म. अभी होसूर जाने का कैसा? 2:53 p.m. We are at RK Garden Family Restaurant. They have ice cold beer. Would you be interested?
Nope.
Actually, beer के बाद बहुत lethargy हो जाएगा ना. We can have lunch. Where do we have lunch? Lunch? हाँ?
बिरयानी रेड
किधर? इधर? उधर? Here? Remember that you'll only get rice here, huh? Nothing else. Sit down here. You'll go in, or exactly 1000 kilometers from home is RK Garden Family Restaurant. First time in rural Tamil Nadu. I've never been to Chennai. कभी पौंडीचेरी, कन्याकुमारी ये सब कुछ देखा ही नहीं है.
By sundown, we were so close to Pondicherry that we could almost smell it. We decided to stop one last time to get some much needed coffee in our system and let our eyes adjust to the changing light. And then another last time for some more coffee.
Come on, come on! Finally! Welcome to Puducherry. We have 6 more to go. Woo!
There's something a fellow traveler told us that has stayed with us. This guy. But more on that later. He said that whenever his mother would think of Chennai, she recalled the fragrance of flowers and filter coffee. And that's exactly what goes into the experience of any place. We feel it with all 5 of our senses. Something that we are deprived of in the comforts of a car's cabin. We like to not just see a place, but to hear it too. We love taking in the smells. We crave to touch it and taste it. And that's why we ride.